Okay, this video is about the length of arcs, arc length, and the area of sectors of circles. These are very, very similar concepts, so similar, in fact, that I'm really going to teach them as one thing. So, an arc is a piece of the circumference of a circle, as outlined in yellow on the left diagram. And a sector is like a slice of pie or a slice of pizza. It is part of the area of a circle. So I'm going to teach both of these using this proportion where we're going to take the degrees of the central angle over 360, the full amount of degrees of arc in an entire circle, and set that fraction equal to either the length of the arc or the area of the sector, depending on which one we're finding, over the full circumference of the circle or the full area of the circle, again, depending on whether we're dealing with arcs or sectors. So in both fractions, it's a part over whole situation. The central angle degrees are part of the entire 360. The arc length or sector area is part of the entire circumference or area of the circle. The left fraction deals with degrees. The right fraction deals with either inches or square inches or whatever unit you're using. So I want to show you how this works in each situation. Here is an arc problem. So here we're asked to find the highlighted area. We're given a central angle of 100 degrees and we're given a radius of 5 inches. So you can see the top left central angle degrees. So we will put that as 100 over 360, the full number of degrees of arc in the circle. The arc length is what we're looking for, so we're going to call that x. And the bottom is going to be, in this case, the circumference of the circle. So that is going to be 2 times pi times the radius, which is 5. So when we cross multiply, we're going to multiply those two things together. We wind up getting 1,000 pi equals, and in this direction, it is 360x. We'll divide both sides by 360, and this becomes a problem for our calculator. In this case, the x winds up being 8.73 inches, just like that. Now, for sector area, again, we're using the same kind of formula, the same proportion down there, only this time we're looking for sector area. So again, in this problem, the central angle is marked as 130 degrees. Whoa, that's a lot. Let's get a different tip there. There we go. So, in fact, let's erase that. That looks goofy. Alrighty. Now we're back in business. So that will be 130 over the full 360 equals the area of the area of the sector we're trying to find, which is x, and the full area this time, which is going to be pi times radius squared. So that's 64 pi. In this case, when we cross multiply, that way we wind up with 8,320 pi equals, multiply that way, 360x. Again, we're going to divide both sides by 360, and we wind up with x equals 72.61. And this time it's in square inches because it's a measure of area. Now, You can also use this same proportion if you are asked for a different unknown. So like if you were given the arc length or the sector area and you were given a way to find circumference or full area of the circle, you could solve for the central angle degrees just by putting your unknown, putting your variable in the place in this proportion that you're looking for. The math on it would really be the same. So you can do all kinds of things with this. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if you feel led. And I hope to continue to bring you good, helpful content. So thanks very much. Keep working hard. Take care.